So your question is whether we need to do the DNA simultaneously, you mean? My lab works on vaccine development for HIV.
Dr. Rama Amar's team at the Yerkes National Primate Research Center has devoted 20 years to a single pursuit:
What you're seeing here,
the creation of an HIV vaccine. Phase 2 of human clinical trials have been completed.
What we're going to do is a nasal swab.
At the end of March 2020, with the COVID pandemic racing across the globe, they added another vaccine to their efforts: COVID-19.
I thought it is important for us to get into this because we have vast experience with HIV vaccine development for the past 20 years, that we basically learned so much about how to really program the immune system. This is a great sign that all the investment that we made in HIV vaccine development, I think, is coming to really use in this pandemic situation, that we could actually basically run. That as we are making the vaccine.
Amara isn't kidding when he says run. While his team got a later start than some of the 140 plus teams around the world, they made up for lost time. Do you have a vaccine?
Yes.
20 years spent working on an HIV vaccine, 1 month to develop a COVID vaccine. 2 different viruses, with the first providing a foundation that allowed Amara and his team to create what he believes will be a safe, effective vaccine.
Highly confident that this vaccine can provide a significant protection. What we need for protection against this any viral infection is that you need antibodies that can block the virus entry into the target cells. These are called neutralizing antibodies. And if the neutralizing antibodies fail to prevent that infection, that first step, virus entering into the host cell, you need to be able to clear those infected cells.
And those would be the cytotoxic T cells, the killer cells that can destroy the infected cells.
We are trying to combine these antibodies with cytotoxic T cells, these killer cells. Not everybody is trying to do that. There's a lot of work involved. There are so many steps. We are working with challenging times. This vaccine is very durable. We have shown that immune responses can persist as far as like 3 years. We were so excited about the results that we got in the mouse.
The vaccine was effective in mice.
We know it is safe. And we know that it is very translatable from mouse to the monkey to the human, based on our experience with HIV.
Manufacturing of the vaccine in human trials will hopefully follow. A 2-decade journey paved the way for a month-long sprint to a COVID-19 vaccine. A career spent understanding the nature of one virus opened the door for this team to help with another.
Nothing matches the fact that you can actually take a vaccine into clinic. That is our dream. That's why we work so hard.